Okay, so next we're going to move on to one of my favorite parts of the entire website, which is I'm going to show you guys how we can actually make this into a awesome moving, an awesome video in the background, and how easy it is to do, and also show you guys how we can turn this link here into a link that goes to a email list for us. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to go to edit in Live Composer, and what we're going to do, and the first thing we want to do, we're going to change this to whatever text you would like to have. You could have sign up for a mailing list, you could have anything really here. I've just chosen to say become all that you can be, and then hit confirm. And I'll show you guys now how we can easily change this to a video. So we hit confirm there, and we're just going to hit this setting button. And if we go across, you will see that we want to remove the image, and we're going to go across to this one here that actually says upload video. So if you go to upload video, so it's the same process as uploading a picture. Now for uploading a video, I'd recommend, if you have your own footage, great, but there's also a site called Videvo, which is a perfect little site, which has royalty free, which means no copyright, and free videos, free stock footage that you can use on anything. So I just simply typed in man walking, and that's where I found the video that you saw that I have. And so I have that in the background, and you just simply can just select this, and you can just do a free download for yourself. So and that footage you can use on your site. But as you notice, it's 51 megabytes. So what I'd recommend, if you are going to go with a video, because you don't have to, but if you are, just Google, or if you have video editing software like Premiere Pro, it's very easy to reduce the size. But there's also online sites that will easily reduce the size for you. So just Google reduce video size online or anything like that, and you'll very easily do it. You can even do it in Movie Maker. But yeah, you just want to try and reduce the size a little bit so it's not too demanding on your website. Okay, so once you've done that, you can just simply, we go back and we're going to select the video that we've got. So I've got it here. So we're just going to load that on. And once it's uploaded, we just simply hit confirm. And then the first time, it might take a while for it to actually, the video to appear there, but once it's done, the video will be there. So I'll show you in a minute once we actually, once we publish the changes. So if I double click on this, we're going to change this button to join. You can have whatever you want to have, join, and I'm going to change so remember how we changed the button? So we just go to styling, and we go across to a color that we'd like to have. I really like having it in that color there, and you can change the text Remember to a bigger size, font size here, and awesome, there we go. So there's our little nice little section here for our video. Or remember, you can just simply have an image here. If that's something that you'd prefer, you don't really have a video you could put, it's going to look just as good with a video. So we're just going to hit publish changes. Okay, and then I'm going to hit close and get out of that. And now, as you can see, we've got that awesome video there. So one other cool little thing I'll show you guys is if you go to the composer, once it comes up, so if you go back down to the composer, and I'll show you something. So there's our video loaded there. Something really cool that you can actually do, which you can do with any of the sections, is if we click onto it, have a look there, and you'll see a section, where is it? It was overlay. So we can actually change this overlay here. So if you put it down, you could have it so it's just completely the video, but I think it looks nicer, which is what it already was to have it there. You'd have it right up so you can't see it at all, or you can have it wherever you like. So whatever overlay you'd like. I'm going to go about there. And yeah, it just something's happened with it. But yeah, you can also change the overlay color to whatever color you'd like that to be. So that's a really neat feature that you can do on any of the sections as well. So if you just hit confirm, publish changes. Okay, so there's that section done now. So I'm going to come back to how to create our mailing list sign up. But for now, there's our video section done. So we're going to go now onto our testimonials section, which is really easy to set up, very quick.